I'm going to show you how to separate your music audio source in OBS so that you can have a different listening volume to your viewers for those intense gaming moments without shutting down the vibe completely for your audience. For this example, I'm going to use Spotify, but you can use whatever music program you wish to use. First, you want to go ahead and download a VB cable for your operating system. I use Windows, but they also have a Mac version. I'll leave the link in the description for your convenience. When it's downloaded, you'll get a zip folder. You want to extract all the files from that, then run the setup program in administrator mode. To do that, just right-click the setup program and click Run as Administrator. Once the installation process has been completed, you'll be prompted to restart your system. After you've restarted your system, to verify that the installation process worked, you can right-click your volume icon in the bottom right, open Sound Settings, then open the Sound Control panel in the top right, then scroll until you see VB Cable. You can click off the control panel now, but keep the sound settings open because you'll need it in just a sec. Now open Spotify or whatever music program you've decided to use. Head back over to the sound settings and select App Volume and Device Preferences at the bottom. Find Spotify in your list and switch the input and output to your VB audio virtual cable. If this worked, you should no longer be able to hear your music. From here, you can open OBS and add an audio input capture and select your output virtual cable from the drop-down list. This will be the music that your audience will hear. Now to add your music source. Just add an audio output capture. Select the input virtual cable from the drop-down list this time. But to stop your audience from hearing this source, you can go to the three dots under the source in your audio mixer. Select Advanced Audio Properties and switch the audio output capture to monitor only. Now you're able to mute your music without muting the music for the viewers. I hope that this helped, and if you have any questions, please just drop them in the comments and I will try my best to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a great day.